What's up, my beautiful peeps? Big up on yourself whether on the yard or abroad. You know, so this is my fun fest for me I keep in August the 23rd, though. Yeah, man, some back to school giveaway and bunks about all of them, the kids them full jar themselves. So, you know, say what I'm doing, I'm looking little sponsors. Yeah, man, anyone of my subscriber them want to cash up me something where can buy up some more bag or some more pencil or anything towards the kids them, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, that would really be nice, and would I really appreciate that. Also, if you want your name for call out now the fun fest as a sponsor, you can do that. If you don't want your name to call out, nothing no wrong with that, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, we just want the kids them full jar themselves. We have a lot of ride did it for them, and them just have a ride for the whole day. When place getting dark, you know, so we're gonna treat them with some book and bag and pencil and everything like them there. So from you can donate, the cash app link up on the screen, you know what I mean? And if you still cannot donate, no worry yourself, I'm gonna shot a video at the fun fest so you still can't see it. You see, pray. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself in a real life. Yeah, sun hot. What going on now, my beautiful peeps? What's up? Big up on yourself whether on the yard or abroad, though. Yo, look here, man, place green and pretty and nice. But me I tell you, say, the sun, it's burning red. Yeah, man, the sun a burn red, man. Sun burning red, peeps. Come there and I sweat. I really like, we don't know what's going on right now. To them in the cooking vibes, you know. I don't really need to be in the cooking vibes because I'm going to cook later. I have a man done on the menu with a casserole who sell food and soup every Friday, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's the only time we cook every Friday. I'm like, you know, say, in food always have a buzz. You see, pre, I don't know if I show one day in the week in cook, so I have enough time when you can prepare things, or it's just a bad chef like Sunrise. You see, pre, but otherwise, we know you can cook. You see, pre, you can do anything, man. I really like whether a one day or a day for the whole week, but meaning when I do something like for one day out of the week, because you know you have 7 days and you can choose one day if you do something, it's like you have time, you can prepare everything for that one day, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so you have to wear most Friday. I don't dare me go buy food, so I'm going to show you what I go on. I think we catch a clip with it a long time already and go down on the beach to go eat the food. But now show you what I go on and I'll show you a little update our restaurant made of. It's a little roadside restaurant, as I say. Yeah, man, yard man restaurant. You stand up and you see everything what I do. You know what I mean? I say it situate. And I know where I feel hard over count and them share the food we run our corner. No, as you pray, just one little thing. So now I can see what I go and come reach for the main here now. Yeah, I'm up on the main here now. Yeah, man, so right over here, so right to the have all the standpipe too, you know. Man, pipe where them always get the water and bring up in the hills. Yeah, man, so the boss thing right around this, so whole heap of water truck you saw wait for the water. The water truck you give you water up in the hills. You see, pray. Yeah, man, so right here, so I go deal with my thing you know. Yeah, man, right here, so. Yeah, man, I'm there, man. Yeah, say I have some fried chicken. Yeah, man, I take a piece of chicken breast there. With you have my style, some pork. Some pork? Yeah, rice and peas and pork with a piece of breast there. Yeah. Right, see the vegetable. pasta, fried plant, roast vegetable. Oh, yeah man, some steamed vegetable. Good old nuts. Ah man. Yeah man. So you know what the little spot this when I pass all upon the main road. Yeah, when I told that one. Yeah man. As somebody say, you know I ride upon the main. So whether you pass go Portmore or you pass go Roadside. Yeah, we say I have gungo rice and I have rice and peas. You see that boss thing active. Give me gungo rice then, you know. A long time I mash up some gungo rice. Yeah man. Boss have gungo rice and peas. So if we not pass now upon the main, remember only on Friday. Yeah man. Make it be on a spot. Tap and get on a lunch. You see it right in a Cassie Garden with them. And if you go through that lane there too, you can find a seaside. So you can come and buy your food and just walk right through that lane there. And you go on a beach, go and relax and eat your food. Yeah, the pork always nice, you know, so people are going to run in, you know. Yes, sir. Yeah man, from pork cook and it cook good. Yes, trust me, it's selling. Piece of chicken breast and make him up some pasta. You have soup? Yeah man, conch soup. Conch soup. Alright, I want a conch soup there too. Gravy alright? Show look more over rice. Alright. Tell us a peeps, son at a Jamaica, you know man. Son hot man. You know yesterday amount of rain then say fall all watch you on the side. And you know touch up through his side. Let me see you down sir. On the river. Yeah, one of them there. One of them boys show me the river. I wanna do my little cooking man. I want a small soup. Can just put pasta. Every little thing you want? You want some of this steam too? Yeah, can just give me a look at this and pasta. I want some steam. Chow. And you see boss thing, just coal stove, you know. Yeah, one of them we call coal stove at Jamaica, just coal stove, natural cooking. Yeah. And what you can turn up and receive everything what you do? No. And planting? No, yeah, you can put a plant pan in there too. See that people want a thing you boss off his side order. And fully active. Yeah man. Boss have a conch soup. Yeah man, I want a small soup there. See me can show up in the sun. But look up in the sun but no blind. Look the peeps. 12 o'clock now, you know, say sun over the middle of your head, you know, so I know you feel the real effect of the sun. Because over the middle of your head, you know. Them now a man come here, you know, say, are you business in seed pan? Oh, then seed pan, yeah man. Yeah, come check. Yeah. I will talk man. He come last year and he come back this year. Alright. Yeah man. I say things set man. Yeah man. Big old truck man. Real Jamaica this, you see me pray. Yeah man, you see it? Real Jamaica this. Real yardman style, countryman vibes. Yeah man. Roadside man. Conch soup. It's a soup I have to find a cool shade for drink here. I have to turn on the AC in the car. So get your food. One spoon or? No, no spoon. Let's see there. Conch soup and the food. So it's a good look. Yeah man. Alright peeps, so when I find a comfortable cool spot I know I'm sure I know what I'm going. But for right now, I left the roadside restaurant. The body stink on Friday. You see, pre? Yeah, man. See, rice and peas, but me take gungo rice. Every day we eat rice and peas. Gungo rice. You know, so gungo coming in a season. So, gungo time, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, look on the food. Fully active. Pasta, fried plantain, chicken, pork, some steamed vegetable, and the soup. Yeah, man, everything active, man. Me just there upon the little ends in my community. I bar just a chill out. Yeah, man, all if a seat there, you can sit down upon. So I just there and I treat them. I easy back, I go mash up some food, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active, man. That's my pulley food, look there, dog. Dog, welcome to Jamaica, that's the lifestyle. Dog always there on the street. See, pre? Yes. Fried plantain. Yeah, man. Gungo rice. Gungo rice active. Not too like pop chow. Come like, I'm me alone have cook pop chow for me enjoy it. Yeah, man. Food active. I not too like fried stuff. That's an artist in me eat fried chicken. Active, man. Go at the bomb. Nice. Just want a bottle of water, I know. So do you want to subscribe to the channel? Remember, tell a friend, everything active. Remember, check out the restaurant here. See it? Jamaican Roadside restaurant, aka Jamaican street food. I'm crave it down.